In the real-time economy, real-time decisions are crucial, and they have to be based on data, a broad array of data from a wide variety of sources. Plus, if you really want to beat the competition, you have to innovate with the new technologies for data and analytics in the cloud. SAP holds tremendous value for every business that uses it. But unlocking data from SAP is time-consuming and expensive, with tens of thousands of tables, complex data relationships, and unique data formats. We have a solution for that. Qlik and AWS are here to help you realize the full value of your SAP data. Qlik Data Integration continuously delivers every update in your SAP data to AWS in real time, and it automates the transformation of that data, making it instantly ready for use in analytics. Once you're running on AWS, you can leverage a broad set of AWS services to innovate with SAP data. Business users can easily find and preview curated SAP datasets and augment them with data from across the enterprise. And to uncover insights that compel action, your team can use QlikSense, the market-leading data analytics platform. Services like Amazon QuickSight or Amazon SageMaker, or any BI tool you choose. Qlik provides accelerators for common analytics domains, including blueprints, templates, and pre-configured transformations that speed the delivery of solutions for business users. And Qlik is a multi-competency AWS partner. So you get the confidence of a proven solution that's flexible enough to meet all your data needs. The outcome? Up-to-the-minute insights from your most valuable data to inform immediate action. Liberate your SAP data, combine it with other sources, accelerate analytics, and save time, budget, and resources while driving business momentum. It's all possible with Qlik and AWS.